Yeah, that's so. Wow, it's smoking a bit, wasn't it?
I can't see.
Wait. It was smoking. There's quite a bit of smoke.
Dad, I've seen that before.
Might need some attention. You've seen that train before?
Yeah.
Right, what do you want to say to everybody watching?
Like and subscribe.
And happy holidays.
And happy holidays. I don't know. Happy holidays.
Come on, do it properly. Do you want to say thank you everybody for watching?
Thank you for everybody watching.
Good, and we hope you like that 37, don't we? Thanks to the driver blowing the horn and giving it lots of power. Hey? Okay. Okay. A duck noise. You're turning into a duck. Alright, bye Jess.